Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change payment accounts on Google Play. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your browser and you want to search for play.google.com. Okay, all right, so you want to make sure you search for play.google.com, because if you go to Google and search for Play Store, it's going to redirect you to Play Store app. But what we want to do is we want to download the app we need on our browser and not on Google Play. Okay, so the way to change our payment account is you want to click on your profile right here. Okay, then you select the account you want to use. You want to select the account you want to use to make the in-app purchase. All you have to do is just switch account. Okay, then you switch to another account. All right, then you can search for the app that you want to download. Let's say Pokemon. Okay, so if you download Pokemon right now and you install it, okay, you want to make sure you uninstall the app and then reinstall it on this new Google account. Okay, so now we'll install. So what you want to do is you want to click on install. Once you search for the app you want to download, you want to click on install. All right, so now you can choose a device that you want to send it to. Okay, so you can select whichever device. All right, and then you click on install. All right, so now all you need is just verify it's you. So once you verify, all right, so as you can see, continue to purchase successful, required authentication for purchase. So once you do it like that, it's gonna download on the phone that you send it to. All right, so once you've done that, then you can relog into your app on the other phone. Okay, so it's pretty easy and straightforward. So if you do it this way, you should not have any problem having an in-app purchase on your applications or your games. Okay, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.